Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. ILoveFriesTV here. Today we are making, well, I am making strawberry flavored tamales homemade with my homemade strawberry jam, and we're also making homemade quesadillas. Today's Monday and today is not crispy enough. Just cook it a little bit more. Let's raise this up. I forgot to lower down the fire. There you go. Good temperature, number 4. So yeah, today's just a lazy Monday. Today's February 19th. And tomorrow is the last day for monetization, but so me and my mom, which is Tatita's Kitchen, are just whipping up some huevos rancheros with smashed beans, quesadillas to go with it. And for dessert, we're having homemade strawberry tamales, which let's take a look. Oh wow, that looks good. Beautiful. So yeah, see you guys in a bit when we're going to test these out. Okay guys, I'm back. I already folded my little quesadilla. This is for my dad. I forgot to also mention that I'm making butter tortillas for me and my mom. I'm not in the mood for quesadilla right now.
Hey, what's up? Having a little midnight snack?
Well, more like dinner, super late. I just finished showing the tamales that I made. We're talking right now. I'm just mentioning about the quesadillas. We're also making butter tortillas, like I said, and the quesadillas are for my dad. And yeah,
for his midnight snack.
How do you feel about tomorrow's the last day for monetization?
It is so sad. I'm so disappointed that if you don't have at least 1,000 subscribers or more, they're going to be cutting off your channels, which is totally ridiculous. Because what about the people that are just starting off? It doesn't make any sense.
I know you need 1,000 subscribers and 4 hours of watch time. That's ridiculous.
On each video.
It's not like we haven't earned anything yet, but the thing is to grow to even to get accepted again in a partnership is going to be hard. I don't know if you can even schedule, you know how you could upload your videos and have it scheduled for whenever you want to upload it. I don't know if that's going to be removed or not. Okay, this quesadilla is done. Let me get the bowl.
I got it.
Okay. Goes. My dad's quesadillas are done. Let me get one of your butter tortillas before I can throw it in. Okay. Oh yeah. No. Put the butter on the other side, Mom.
What am I, the sous chef or the chef?
You're a sous chef. That's why you're helping me.
Anyways, whatever. Yeah, so like we were saying, you have to have at least 1,000 or more subscribers and 4 hours of watch time on each video, which is totally ridiculous. Like I said, especially for newbies like me.
I know my mom just started her channel. I'll leave her link around the video and the description box below. Or you can search her up, Tatita TV or Tatita's Kitchen. So yeah. I think I should have added a little bit more sugar in my strawberry tamales.
No, diabetes. I have diabetes, remember?
I know, but I don't know. Hopefully they taste good. Kind of afraid how they're going to come out.
It smells good.
I know. Fatty. If you guys hear a little clicking, that's the penny that you're supposed to throw in to let you know when you need more water inside your pot. So yeah. We're almost done making our food for
a little midnight snack.
Yep. So yeah, we'll be back when everything's done and time to eat. Bye guys.
See you in a little bit.
Okay, we're about to make the scrambled eggs now, and the last part before we can go eat. My trusty assistant, Tatita, is going to be putting the eggs in.
Yeah, I'm putting in the huevos.
Hey. Too much.
That was a big one.
I also forgot to mention we're having avocados with our tacos. So, yeah.
No, no chorizo, because I don't like chorizo.
I eat soy chorizo, so yeah.
Of course, you don't eat meat.
Okay, so let's see if I can do this with one hand.
Salt?
No, butter has already salt.
I know, you don't like putting salt in your steak.
Assistant, any help?
Okay.
Here. I already got the fire perfect.
Yes, I know we're using a spatula because...
Making scrambled eggs with a spatula is 10 times better than anything else.
Especially a fork, 'cause all the fork does is ruin
Spatulas.
your frying pan.
So yeah, be right back. Okay guys, it's time to eat. I have my scrambled eggs with onions and fresh cut cilantro, my butter tortillas, avocados. I forgot to put my beans. I'll be right back. Well, I'll put my beans later. I also got my red tamales.
Sweet tamales.
Yep, it's my strawberry tamales. If you guys want to see a video, let me know. Comment down below and like this video. Please and thank you. Tatita's already eating, so...
You know it. I'm not waiting.
So yeah, I'll cut into this after I'm done eating. I'll be right back. Bye-bye. Say bye.
See you in a little bit.
Open them up. See how they come out. Ooh, that's beautiful. You want to taste it first?
Yeah, give me that.
Is it really good?
It tastes like strawberries too.
I'm gonna get my utensil. Yes, I'm gonna be using a spoon because I have braces and anything that hits my teeth breaks or chips. So try it out.
Tastes like strawberries.
I think I could have used a little bit more sugar,
No,
but I was afraid it to be a little bit sweet.
it's fine. It's perfect. Perfect just as it is.
But yeah, if you guys want to see them or me to make it, like this video and comment down below.
Yeah, like I do.
Yeah. I'm taking the last piece, the strawberry filling. Hang. Wait, where is it? Here is it. Focus. Ah, there you go. Look at that homemade strawberry jam.
I'm still going to take another spot of tamales.
Yeah, let's go get one. Come on. Alright, bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I forgot to show this, but here it is. Ooh. Oh wow, it's foggy. Wait, on, hold it. Assistant. Wow, look at that strawberry jam in there, huh?
Yeah, today I'm the sous chef.
Oh, they came out beautiful bright red, just the way I like them. But yeah, homemade strawberry tamales. That one is open up. Oh, the fogginess. But anyways, yeah. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe
To ILoveFriesTV and Tatita's Kitchen.
Tatita's Kitchen, or search up Jackie's Kitchen or Tatita's Kitchen. Bye guys.